Hello guys, this is Aziz Idris and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to draw a 3D staircase just like this one with Autocad, then continue watching the tutorial. So this is the interface that shows when you open your Autocad app. Please, if you know you've not subscribed yet, do so by clicking on the subscription and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you. I'll leave a link on how to download and crack Autocad and a basic tutorial on the 2D drawings on Autocad. So we start by drawing a simple rectangle with a polyline. The length of the rectangle is 1 meter, which is 1000 millimeters, by the width, which is 300 millimeters. So you can fast forward, reverse, or pause just in case you miss any of the steps. So you copy this rectangle the number of times you want your steps. So I copied mine 10 times because I wanted 10 steps. You can make yours less than 10, you can make yours 5, you can make yours 6, you can make yours 11, depending on the number of steps you want. So this is the space between the two different stairs, the one going north and the one coming south. So here I just wanted to change the color of the stairs because I didn't want it to look all white to make my animation boring. So I changed the color to green, light green. So after you insert this layer, you have to make sure you highlight your whole stairs, then change the layer to the layer you just inserted. Now that we have the 2D view of the stairs, you have to change the view to southwest isometric to view it in 3D. So now we extrude each of the stairs to the height we want. You can also use presspull for this command. It will do basically the same thing here. So the extrusion height will be a multiple of the first extrusion we did. So the first one was 150 millimeters, meaning the second one will be 150 times 2, the third one will be 150 times 3, in that manner.
Oh my god, I ate the zizi kebab meat this morning. What a beautiful taste. I loved it. And I even wanted to ask you one question.
So after the extrusion, I forgot to add the rectangle you stand before you move to when you climb the stairs and go to the north, the one you stand before you move to the south. So I'll add it quickly. There's also an extrusion. We extrude it to the top by the same multiple of the first one, in that manner. So from here we use the union command UN to turn all these cuboids into one object. Then we are going to try to remove the unwanted part of the staircase. This whole side is too big. The contractor is going to waste concrete when designing the staircase. We are going to try to remove the unwanted parts from it. So here you are going to try to use a polyline, but if it doesn't work and you happen to use a normal line, you are supposed to make sure you join the lines after joining them to be able to extrude it or to be able to press pull the line, because you can't press pull a line which is not a polyline or a line which is not joined. After we are done, we use the press pull to remove that part of the stairs from it. So here we are going to mirror the stairs, because when you climb to the top, the number of steps, you use the same number of steps to climb back down. So we are going to mirror this to get the exact same thing, but in a mirror direction. So here you realize that the second stairs is down, so we copy it and move it to the top to make a complete stairs. Then this side is overlapping. After we did the mirror, so we push it inside with a press pull command to get it like this. So from here we change the custom view to realistic. And we change the color where the layers we inserted earlier on. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to click on the subscription and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. In our next tutorial, we'll be adding value to this staircase. We'll be adding barristers and materials to this staircase.